Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are in good state of health and iman. So students, this is our science lecture and today we are going to start chapter number 1, variations, heredity and cell division. In this unit, we will learn about how traits transfer from generation to generation and how changes occur in it. So let's start our lecture from page number 2. Humans have always been curious about how organisms inherit traits from their parents and why certain diseases tend to run in families. To answer these questions, scientists have developed a new branch of science called genetics. Let me explain traits at first. Biological traits are physical or behavioral characteristics of an organism. They may be determined by genetics and or environmental factors. Now let me explain genetics. Genetics is that branch of biological sciences which deals with the transmission of characteristics from parent to offspring. So, students, traits are the behavioral or physical characteristics of an organisms that transfer from parent to offspring, and this the study of the traits, the transfer of the study of traits is called genetics. Through genetics, we have learned about the differences between organisms and what causes them, discovered how species are related, studied DNA and chromosomes, and more. This chapter will give you an overview of all these fascinating aspects of genetics. Next, the topic is variations and adaptations. There are millions of organisms on Earth, however, there is no exact resemblance between any two organisms. The differences between different species like horses and cats are especially notable. However, within the same species, the differences are few. For example, all humans have similar body structures, but they may have different heights, colors, behaviors, habits, and so on. These differences among organisms of the same species are called variations. Variations also exist in plants such as height and shapes of leaves and flowers. Variation is in biology refers to the differences in characteristics, genetic or environmental characteristics between individuals of the same species, such as height, color, or blood type. It is essential for evolution and survival, driving natural selections by allowing populations to adapt to changing environments. In simple, variations are the differences among organisms of the same species. For example, all humans are belongs to the same species, but they all have different heights, different eye color, different hair color, and so on. For example, the cats, they all belong to the same species, inherited the same DNA, but they have different colors, different fur shapes, different eye color, different body shape. This is called variation. Next, some variations help organisms to survive and fit in their environment better than others. For example, cats may have short nailed claws and long nailed claws. However, cats with long nailed claws will be more successful in catching prey and defending themselves. As a result, the population of long nailed claws will increase. Such variations will eventually become adaptations. Now define the term adaptation. Adaptation is defined as any physical feature or behavior that makes organisms more fit for existence. Adaptations are heritable, meaning they are transferred to the next generation. In simple, for example, there are two types of cats. One have a short nail claws and the other one has long nail claws. The cat with long nail claws will be more successful in capturing prey, while the other will not be more successful. As the long nail claws cats will be more successful in environment. As a result, the population of long nail claws will increase. What is adaptation? The process which enables organisms to adjust the environment in order to ensure survival. In short, adaptation ऑर्गेनिजम्स की एक ऐसी फिजिकल फीचर्स होती है जो वो अपने इन्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग अडॉप्ट करती है ताकि वो उस इन्वायरमेंट में सर्वाइव कर सके। गो बैक टू पेज नंबर 2। Members of a population of mice have both white and tan fur colors, while the rocks around them are black. The tan color of the mice provides camouflage from predators, which helps them avoid becoming prey. Camouflage means protection. Tan color variation became an adaptation. The next generation have more tan mice than white mice. Members of a population of mice have both white and tan fur colors, while the rocks around them are black. The tan color of the mice provides camouflage from predators, which help them avoid becoming prey. Camouflage means protection. Tan color variation become an adaptation. The next generation have more tan mice than white mice. Next, we will study about the differences between variation and adaptations. First one is variation. Differences that occur in population are called variation. Population में जो differences पाए जाते हैं उन्हें variation कहते हैं। जैसे हमने बताया कि एक ही species के organisms में different उनके height color, eye color, hair color इस तरह के differences को हम variations कहते हैं। Adaptation. Any variation that aids the chances of survival and reproduction is called adaptation. Any variation that aids the chances of survival and reproduction is called adaptation. किसी भी ऑर्गेनिजम्स को एनवायरनमेंट में सर्वाइव करने के लिए जो चेंजेस उसमें पाए जाते हैं उसको हम एडॉप्टेशन कहते हैं। Variations may increase or decrease an organism's ability to survive in the environment. Adaptations increase the chances of survival of an organism in the environment. Variations appear directly in response to environmental changes. Variation can lead to adaptations. Variations tell about prevailing environmental circumstances. Adaptations tell about evolutionary processes.